Tongheng EP is a fully automatic recycled plastics plant with a total investment of several billion CNY. It covers an area of over 80,000 square meters and has an annual processing capacity exceeding 100,000 tons. Hello everyone, I'm Andy. Today, please follow me to come into this future factory. Here, from receiving materials, sorting to finished products, the entire process has achieved a high level of automation, digitalization, and intelligence. The DataBeyond bottle bales quality inspection and pricing systems conducts data analysis on the compositions of bottle bales, enabling automatic and standardized regional pricing based on the components. The fully automatic sorting lines was designed and constructed by DataBeyond. More than 10 DataBeyond optical sorters are used to accurately complete the precise sorting of bottles, laying a solid foundation for the subsequent production of high-quality products. The sorted bottles are then conveyed to the washing process, resulting in pure recycled flakes. What we witness is not an automatic plant. Together, Tongheng EP and DataBeyond have provided future solutions for the recycled resource industry. DataBeyond is using one successful overall solution after another to help the industry complete the transformation and upgrading towards automations, digitalizations, intelligence development. We firmly believe that the value of technology lies in empowerment. Hand in hand, let's unlock the full potential in every recycle and renew purpose for every resource.